Hi everybody! Today I'm going to show you how I make my flavorful ginger chicken. First, I marinate 400 to 500 grams of chicken with a little salt, half a squeezed lemon, a bit of turmeric powder, and some ginger garlic paste. I let this rest for about 30 minutes to an hour. In this plate, set aside the finely chopped fresh ginger, it will be used later. While the chicken is marinating, I have taken one big onion, green chillies as per your taste, a handful of coriander stems and some curry leaves and grind them into a paste. Next, I heated about 4 tablespoons of oil in a pan and add the marinated chicken. I cooked the chicken until it released its water and the water dries up. Then I added a little more ginger garlic paste and saute it well. After that, I add the freshly ground masala paste and cook it until the raw smell goes away. Then I added the finely chopped ginger and a little more salt and saute everything nicely. I continue cooking until the masala is completely dry and coats the chicken well. Finally, I add some freshly crushed black pepper and chopped coriander leaves for extra flavor and freshness. Our delicious ginger chicken is now ready. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.